Welcome, in front of me is DELL LATITUde 5400, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. To change your wallpaper, you have to right-click the empty space on your desktop, then select Personalize, open the background section, expand this list and select one of the 4 options you can use as your wallpaper. For example, you can use a single picture. You can select one of the recent ones. The recent images by default are standard wallpapers presented to you by Microsoft. Alternatively, you can select Browse Photos and select your own image as your desktop wallpaper. You can also select expand this list and select the fit for your image that you like the most. Second option you can use is a solid color, and if you select this option you will be able to set just a single color as your desktop wallpaper. You can choose one of the default ones or go with the custom colors by selecting View Colors and creating the color that you like. Click Done to apply, and this way you will have a brand new wallpaper. The third option is a slideshow, and to set a slideshow as your background wallpaper or desktop wallpaper, you have to create a folder with pictures and then select this folder by clicking Browse and selecting the folder from the list from your file explorer. You can change the frequency of images changing by expanding this list and selecting the value that fits you the most. You can shuffle the picture order by switching this toggle to the right, and you can let the slideshow run even if your laptop works on battery power by switching this toggle to the right. You can also choose a feed for your desktop images right here. The fourth option is Windows Spotlight. And this option doesn't have any settings to it. Basically, it's just a single image presented to you by Microsoft that changes every once in a while. And if you want to know more about the place where this image was taken, you have to click Learn about this picture on your desktop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.